Follow GadInsider's guideline to keep your Android phone running smoothly. Does your Android phone often get switched off despite having a fully charged battery? There could be any factor behind it, including a glitch, a bug, or a general battery problem. However, it gets frustrating especially when you are in the middle of an important work call, doing your school assignment, or about to capture a perfect moment with your camera and your phone gets powered off. Check out GadInsider's guide and follow the steps to keep your phone running smoothly. Here's why Android phone switches off. Several factors can cause random shutdowns on your Android phone, including older device battery, overheating due to corrupt apps, high CPU usage in the background, outdated system OS, high battery temperature. How to prevent Android phones from turning off. Simple phone reboot. There are several ways to reboot an Android phone. The easiest is to hold down the power and volume up buttons simultaneously and select restart. This powers off your phone and turns it back on. Recharge your phone. There is a chance your phone might shut down due to battery drain. Charge your phone first, but if it doesn't work, use another adapter, or if your phone supports wireless charging, put it on a charging pad and charge the device. Disable auto shutdowns option. Some Android devices offer an option to shut down the device at a specific time. If that option is turned mistakenly, turn it off from the settings. Check the battery health. Android phone battery comes with a fixed life cycle. Once it reaches that specified cycle, your phone can shut down. You can use the phone app, the Samsung Members app, or any third-party apps like a Calbattery to check your Android phone's battery health. Update Android system. An outdated Android OS can cause problems on your device. Therefore, update your device. Open settings on Android and navigate to software update. Now, download and install the latest update. Factory reset your Android phone. If none of the above tips work, reset your phone. Before you factory reset, first back up the device's data. Contact the manufacturer. If your Android phone is still under warranty, contact the phone company and file a claim to get a new Android device.